nieces and nephews, welcome back to Auntie No's Kitchen. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. And I thank all of you for your support. And happy Thanksgiving to all of you out there. And also today we are going to be making some Gouda mac and cheese. Now I have a previous upload on my Gouda mac and cheese, but this is another one of my recipes where I will not make a roux and I will not make an egg, because people have asked me on my previous upload of my 4 cheese mac and cheese about the egg. I have a couple of recipes where I don't use egg, and sometimes I do use egg. Sometimes I make a roux, sometimes I don't. But this is a easy Gouda mac and cheese. Gouda is a very rich cheese. It's very creamy. So I'm going to do a flip and a swip, and we're going to get started so you can see everything you need to make this Gouda mac and cheese. Okay, my friends, this is 3 regular boxes of elbow macaroni. Because they didn't have the family size, I would have just bought 2 of those, but this is all they had was just the regular BOGO at Publix. So you know, save. They trying to make $1. I'm trying to save 2. Okay. Now I have Gouda, freshly shredded Gouda. This is 4 cups. This is 4 cups. I shredded. This is what it looks like by hand. My hands are clean. Looks like by hand, and this is what it looks like that I put in my food processor. You're going to use some salt, some black pepper, and you can add a little paprika also. You add a little garlic powder, a little onion powder if you choose to. I have 1.5 cups of heavy cream. I've already melted 1 1/4 stick of butter in here. I have 2 cans of evaporated milk. And I have another 4 cups of fresh Gouda. When I say fresh Gouda, I mean fresh Gouda like the block. It comes in one of these big wrappers. So that's 2 of them, 2 of those. So we're going to get started on our sauce first, okay? Okay, I'm going to add my heavy whipping cream. Oh, they goodness. Add my 2 cups of milk. No, I do not water my milk down, because this made a mistake and opened the wrong end. So I gotta get this all in here. And again, no, I would not be adding an egg to this, nor will I be making a roux. I will add my seasonings after I get my cheese sauce made. Okay, so hold on, family. I'm going to go ahead and add a 3rd cup. I mean a 3rd can, rather. And I'm going to let this get hot. Start to get a little simmer so I can start whisking in my cheese. Okay, now the reason why I'm making a cheese sauce, okay? There's a difference when you do the roux. You know, because when you do the roux and the eggs, it's going to bake in custard form. And so I'm making my previous upload, you know, I did all that good stuff. And this one, I'm making a cheese sauce. And I would just keep stirring this until it gets nice and creamy. And I'll be right back. Remember, there was 4 cups of Gouda to 3 cans of evaporated milk and 1.5 cups of heavy cream. And it's starting to thicken because that cheese is starting to melt. Again, Gouda is a very rich and creamy cheese. It's very creamy. So you definitely have to keep stirring. You definitely have to keep stirring. The reason why you have to keep stirring your cheese sauce so your cheese won't clump into one big lump or several lumps. You won't have lumpy cheese sauce. You do not want lumpy cheese sauce, nieces and nephews. You don't want that. You want your mac and cheese to be nice and creamy. You want your cheese sauce to be nice and creamy. You don't want it to have lumps of cheese like cheese balls. Guys, let me tell you what I did. I said, you know what? I'm going to just turn this into white Gouda Swiss. So I added some Gouda, some Swiss in here. And I'm gonna add a little paprika in here. So you see my cheese? See my cheese? It's not clumped up. Got a nice creamy sauce. Okay, our cheese sauce is ready. It's nice and creamy. And you don't want to boil your cheese sauce, okay? You don't want to boil it where it's bubbly, boiling. No, that's not what you're looking for. Okay, I'm going to pour my pasta in here. And I already have your oven heated at 350. Okay, go ahead and add your salt to your liking. Your black pepper. I'm going to add a little paprika, just a little bit, if I can get it to come out. Now, because I love Gouda, I'm a huge fan of Gouda. I will be adding me some to throw in there, because Gouda Asiago and what is it? And mozzarella are my favorite cheeses. And so whenever I use those cheeses, I have to add extra. I always add extra. Whenever I use those cheeses, I add extra. Okay. It all blended in there. Okay, now I'm gonna get my cheese sauce in, stir it up, give it a good stir. Y'all hear my pot hit the bottom of my pan. Okay. I don't want that dripping on my stove. And you that look good, don't it? And you know you can add bacon to this. You could add crab meat. You can add lobster, shrimp. It goes so good with the Gouda. I have a small pan that I need to make. But so what? So that's why I have the extra pasta too. You see that creaminess blending in there? Look at that. Now you can't tell me you don't want to slap somebody. All that goodness in here, you don't tell me. Don't tell Auntie you don't want to pop somebody. Okay, we're gonna get us some cheese on top. You know what I tell y'all? Get them corners, get those edges. You know how I am. I can get them edges, guys. Get them edges. I don't like to see any cheese, mac and cheese showing. You know, when I say mac and cheese showing, I mean like puddles. I don't like to see, I don't like my mac and cheese completely covered. Because that's why I call it cheesy mac and cheese. That's what makes mac and cheese so good. It's the sauce. It's the sauce. What they said on, what movie was that? I can't think of it. I can't think of the name of that movie. It was it. No, that wasn't it. I cannot think of that movie when they said it's all in the sauce. It's all in the sauce. That's what it is. I cannot think of that movie. Okay, get all that. Make sure I got my edges good. Good. Gumdrop. Ooh, I see a little puddle. If I see anything, part of that is OCD too. So you know, so overlook auntie. I see any gloss, I gotta cover it. Forgive me. Ooh, got a corn over here I need to take care of. And this will go into my oven at 350. And I have a small one I'm going to bake. I have to bake. I have enough sauce for that one. This is going into the oven. My oven is already heated. It's going to go in the oven for about 35 minutes. And I'll see you then, family. Okay, this one, I'm adding bacon to it. This is the pre-cooked bacon by Hormel. I'll show you. Smithfield. This is, get it at Sam's. You get like 72 slices in here. And I think it was $17. It's gone up, honey, over the years. They like it. When I could eat bacon, I didn't like it. I don't like that. But that's what they like. They like the pre-cooked bacon. Well, Katie Pie, that Pamper Princess up there eats it either way. I'm not gonna. Okay. Oh, let me stir my cheese sauce again. You gotta make sure you get this in here. You gotta get all the goodness out. Little housekeeping. Little housekeeping there. Pasta, because I have to make another mac and cheese. Get that all mixed in there. That's why I said I had to make another one for somebody else. That Pamper Princess up there. All right, Miss Caitlin. Mama gonna have to improvise. Guys, I had to improvise. I ran out of Gouda, so honey, I threw some shredded mozzarella on here. So this is This is for my Pamper Princess up there. Okay, so I'll be right back. This same thing going into the oven for 35 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, family. Okay, nieces and nephews. This is the Gouda Swiss mac and cheese, and that's the one over there with the bacon in it. That's for K-Pot. So I'm gonna let's scoop in this and see what we got. We got that creaminess. Let me get a bowl. Okay, we got our Gouda and Swiss, that creamy cheese sauce. Yum, 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 yum. So I'm just showing you that eggs and a roux are not necessary actually to make creamy macaroni and cheese. You can do it either way you want, but remember, if you use heavy cream, omit the eggs or vice versa, because what the heavy cream does is it makes it more rich, enhances the creaminess of it. So here it is. Let me get it down good for you guys so you can see. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. See that creaminess? I had to let it cool off some. Sorry, guys. The air is a little short. Hold on 1 second. Okay, now we're going to dig into the one, again, a bowl. We'll go in with some of that bacon. And as you can see, I'm just making a mess, huh? Got that bacon going on in here. Look at there. Got the bacon, the good cheese going through here. You got that nice crispy melted cheese topping. Sorry about my voice, guys, but having some issues with my asthma, so my air gets short, my voice may crack, but so this is it. That's the one with the bacon, and that, you know, this was just thrown in. And this is the one without the bacon, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I will, hold on 1 second. Thank you guys for hanging out with Auntie. Well, we made these beautiful and nice creamy macaroni and cheeses. I hope you make these for your upcoming holiday or anytime. Doesn't have to be the holiday season. You can have mac and cheese anytime. And that Gouda mac and cheese is set apart from the traditional yellow mac and cheese. So I hope you guys enjoy your Saturday. Until the next upload, I will talk to you later. Hugs and kisses to each of you. I'll see you later. Love you guys. Bye.